Hello everyone, I'm Gogi from Gogi.in and you're watching the review of InFocus M2. Now this is another 1.3 GHz MediaTek quad-core powered smartphone that's running Android KitKat with 1 GB RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. This handset sports a 4.2-inch screen with WXGA resolution. It also comes with an 8 megapixel rear autofocus camera with LED flash and a front camera of 8 megapixel resolution with LED flash. The key highlight about this handset is the price tag of Rs 4,999. Here is the InFocus box pack. It's a unique looking box pack. The specifications are clearly mentioned on the box. This handset comes with a 2010 mAh built-in battery. The SAR values are also clearly mentioned on the box. This handset is assembled in China and manufactured by FIH Mobiles, that's Foxconn International. Inside the box you'll find this handset, travel charger, data cable, quick start guide, warranty card, and standard quality earphone. Here is the InFocus M2 handset sporting a 4.2-inch screen with WXGA, that's 1280 by 768 pixels resolution. Build quality and the finishing is very good. It's available in black and white color options. The handset is curvy. You can see the curve on the rear side. The next thing you will notice is the width. It is slimmer width-wise when compared with other smartphones. The handset is very comfortable to hold, especially for users with smaller hands. This is a white color handset with a matte finish on the back side. On the sides you'll find combination of glossy black and matte white. On the rear side you'll find the InFocus logo, 8 megapixel rear autofocus camera with LED flash. This is the speaker out vent on the rear side. On the front you'll find the in-call speaker, front camera of 8 megapixel resolution, this is the LED flash, and here are the sensors. The power button is placed on the right side, volume rocker on the left, 3.5mm audio jack on the top along with the secondary mic, and at the bottom this is the primary mic and this is the micro USB port. There are dual mics for noise cancellation. The back cover is made up of plastic, it's good quality plastic. The battery of 2010 mAh capacity comes built in, as you can see here, and you have got this sticker here. Important note on how to insert the SD card and the micro SIMs. Here are the SIM slots. This is SIM slot 1, a micro SIM slot 2, a micro SIM, and this is the micro SD card slot. I'm going to insert the SD card and a micro SIM. It's not clearly mentioned if the screen comes with any protection. I'm going to test it out with a pin. I'm doing a small scratch test, applying minimal pressure. There are no scratches. It is scratch resistant to some extent, but it would be better if you use a screen guard. There are 3 touch sensitive navigation buttons. The handset weight with battery is 146 grams and it is about 11.08 mm thick. Let's power on. This handset is running Android KitKat with innovative in-life UI. This is a 4.2-inch LTPS display, and for this price tag, the display is truly awesome. The performance is pretty good, touch is very smooth and responsive. This is in-life UI, all the menus are on the home screen itself, and you have access to selected applications at the bottom. There are folders with related applications clubbed together. WPS Office comes pre-installed. The screen resolution on this handset is slightly different. It's 1280 by 768 pixels and the viewing angles are pretty good. This is the phone dialer and native video calling is supported. As already mentioned, this handset is using a customized UI. The icons are different. There is built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. This handset supports 2 languages, Hindi and English. The navigation buttons do not light up. Double tap the home button. To get the list of running applications, you can either switch or close the application. You can also set up the launcher using the settings home. I'm now using the EZ launcher with simple menus. I can always convert back to the advanced mode, go to more settings and switch back home to default launcher plus. There are a lot of customization in display. You can set up the colors, cool, natural, warm. You can also set up blue light filter. Just see the screen, how it changes when I switch the blue light filter on and off. This filter helps avoid eye strain. You can even customize it further. There is LED notification and this is how it looks. App traffic application comes built in, wherein you can enable or disable 3G or Wi-Fi access to specific applications, as you can see here. This will help you control your data usage. This is the keyboard. English, that's combination of Hindi and English, is supported. You can press and hold the space bar to change the input method. You can select the default write disk. Of the 8GB internal storage, you will get around 5.1 GB free for apps, and of the 1 GB RAM, you will get around 440 MB free on the first boot. There is power saving mode with a lot of customization. You can customize the screen, data connection, periodic wake up, low power mode and smart switch, wherein the Wi-Fi will disable after some period of inactivity. This handset also supports motion, and here are the different options. Over-the-air updates are supported, and you can also clearly see the kernel version with Foxconn clearly mentioned. I have connected an OTG pen drive, and yes, OTG does work. I can access the contents of this pen drive. And now let's check out the camera. The camera interface is similar to as seen on the other handsets. There is not much of customization on this application. There is zero shutter delay, voice capture, face detection, smile shot, HDR. Rear camera is 8 megapixel in both 4:3 and full screen aspect ratios. The front camera is also of 8 megapixel resolution in both full screen and 4:3 aspect ratio. You can switch on the flash for the front camera. It's an always on flash. If you want, you can switch it off. This handset can also shoot full HD videos at 30 FPS. You can visit my website to check sample images and videos. Wireless display is supported. You can stream contents on other Wi-Fi enabled devices. There is also the audio effects option. It's an equalizer that will enhance the sound output. You can also control the bass. When you enable the audio effects, the sound improves but the loudness reduces. This handset is powered by 1.3 GHz MediaTek Cortex A7 quad-core processor with Mali 400MP GPU. It's using the MT6582 chipset running Android KitKat 4.4.2. Here are the sensors: accelerometer, proximity light and gyro. Quadrant benchmark score is 7001. Antutu score is 18759. This benchmark also confirms the resolution 1280 by 768 as mentioned on the box pack. Villamo Metal 825 multi-core 1193 browser 1715. Nina Mark II is at 57.8 FPS, and this handset supports 2-point multi-touch. This is the only thing I guess is disappointing. Let's play Asphalt 8. This game got installed on the internal storage. I have set it to the highest visual quality. Let's play this game. The game is playable, but there is a mild lag. I'm going to switch the quality to medium, and the game is pretty much playable in this mode. Much better and smoother. Apps by default are getting installed on the internal storage, but you can move certain applications on the external storage. What makes the InFocus M2 an awesome phone is the price tag and the screen quality. I never expected this screen quality at this price tag. Performance is very good. Camera quality is above average considering the price tag, and on a full battery charge you can expect about 4 to 6 hours of continuous moderate to heavy usage. For a price tag of Rs 4,999, the InFocus M2 is definitely a very good buy.